Okay, got it. For $550, not including tax. And I'm thinking the best way of going back home to avoid traffic and any accidents. Hopefully this way I can just make the turnaround and go that route. So this is a Canon R8 24mm f1.8 in aperture priority mode. A lot of traffic. This is rush hour. Well, it's starting early. Cars are coming in like crazy. Got a guy going right. And I see the turnaround that I want to go to. See, they got construction at that turning right. Who knows what they're doing? It's driving everybody crazy. Oh, the stoplight went down. They're trying to remount it, I guess. Oh my goodness. I'm glad it didn't go that way. So I had to wait for someone to turn right so I can get in. Car behind him was a little mad, but he did slow down, or the truck. Okay, get in this lane. And hopefully I can get off every time I park. So I didn't even try to raise it to put it in the trunk. I just slid it to the back seat, which is a good thing. It's 85 pounds. It's a short distance. I could have had them delivered it, but then I don't want to be waiting for something, okay? And I still have a chance to get everything working. And at least it's gas propelled. They said there's a spark plug in there. I just had to pour the oil and I forgot to get gas. Oh my goodness. So I have to drive a little bit further. I can't believe I forgot that. And it was right there at HEB too. You know, you see the traffic situation and you forget about this stuff. I mean, if you want to get the lawnmower working, get some gas. Yeah. Trucks are jockeying which lane to go to. Traffic is slowing down. Hopefully I can get off of here. Yeah. You just have to wait for traffic. So what's happening is people coming in on 1604 on that exit, they used to get off a little bit before this, and they blocked it. And you see this idiot right here. And this idiot right there should have been given tickets. So they're pouring white stuff on there. I don't know if it's supposed to harden or soften, or if it's kind of like, yeah, they're putting, I think tar or something down. I don't know. It's already 2 in the afternoon. They're not going to get much done. We see they leveled all this right here. They got gravel piled up. But then they have to work on this side. So, and you're seeing he's trying to level the ground as it is right now. So they got equipment working. I just hope it doesn't rain. Yeah, trucks. So now I have to get some gas. So I might as well fill up the car and fill up the gas tank. Fill up the lawnmower gas tank. I bought a new one. They're doing some work over here, but I don't know if it's cable or what. I see some hoses. I see him looking a lot. I don't see him doing anything. They got the mowers out, but I think they can't mow on the left-hand side because they're going to dig it up. I don't know if they're going to work on the stoplights. I think they're checking the electrical readings. Who knows what they're going to do? So I'll get some gas for the car and the lawnmower, put it together, take some pictures. I might even do some video, just testing out the lawnmower. I'm going to do the backyard first, because I need to get that done. I already did the edging. It just have to do the middle part. And I was almost finished until it started raining, and then the lawnmower conked out. So now it's not working anymore. So I have to get rid of that. That's my second Ryobi. And it didn't last long, which is a bummer. I think I had like 2 or 3 of them. I've given up on electric. Might as well go gas, let it work for 3 years, and then buy another lawnmower. They don't last that long anymore. It does mulch. It does come with a bag. It does come with oil and a spark plug. But I need the gas. Okay. Right here. So, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, got my gas, ready to go. I'll put the lawnmower real quick, put the oil in. On the backyard, take some video, pictures. I might move this whole setup to the backyard just to do initiation. You know, unboxing of the lawnmower. Looking good. So you see, you can do different videos just for doing chores. You can do 2 things at once, 3 things if you chew gum. Just make sure that they can understand you speaking. But so I got gas, I got a new lawnmower, which is a pain in the butt, but there's nothing you can do about it. When things fail, they fail. So the next project is trying to find to get rid of that lawnmower. I got now 2 external bags for that, so don't need those. Gonna have to find a recycle place. I'm done with charging batteries and then running for about an hour before it stops. They lose their longevity. The wheels were plastic, but when you buy a 13-inch $99 lawnmower, that's what you get. So hopefully this will last me more than 3 years, whereas the last lawnmower maybe only lasted for a year. One before that, 2 years. But then the wheels started breaking, and then the engine just died. So don't have to worry about any cords anymore. And hopefully this is my last chore for the day. I hate going back and forth to the store. I may order some groceries. I need some milk and a couple other things. Yep, she has Ryobi too, but oh. Yep, she walks the dogs, and he's after that squirrel. And of course, there's my birds on top. They're saying hi. They're flying all over the place. They want me to bring some bird feed to them. So anyway, thank you for watching. Next video will be the unpacking and or unboxing of the lawnmower, put it together, and then showing it how it works. Bye, folks. Have a wonderful day.